Well, Daniel here from West Mountain Adventures. Some of you may already be guessing what I'm doing today. When I first did the inspection on the travel trailer, I saw these cracks, but I thought they were pretty well sealed up with clear silicone. That was before I realized that you're supposed to use clear silicone on the roof of your RV. I've been there for a while, and well, just it just comes off, just rubs off. So, yeah. What I did not realize is that the previous owner had put duct tape over the top of that and then sealed it with clear silicone. I'd show you what was there, but there wasn't much, and when I touched it, it disintegrated into a rubbery mess and blew away in the wind. Yeah. So, needless to say, the small leak that I thought I had has been a considerable leak for quite a long time. That leak kind of really got my attention when I found a puddle in the bedroom next to the wall going into the bathroom. So, putty knife to scrape up any remains. You need your alcohol and rag to get it cleaned up. And of course, this is what you should be using, either Dicor or DAP, lap sealant. Yeah. Alright, so there's that one. And this one apparently has a leak as well. I'm guessing that has something to do with it. Probably that one as well. Sorry about the camera work today. I'm having a really hard time seeing the screen. It's pretty bright out here. This is the first dry, warm day that I have had. Now you can see there is some fresh DAP in here, and that was done the day I picked up the RV. As I was picking it up, actually, they were up here doing this, and that's where I got the 2 bottles from. The young man that was up here doing this said, "Here, I'm just going to go ahead and give these to you." I thought he was just being nice. Nope. My guess is he knew I was going to need them. So, cracks there, but that one, nope, that's coming off too. Yeah. And cracks there. And big old crack right there. Yeah, this one has been leaking too. This is actually the emergency exit for the toy hauler section in the garage. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up. Daylight's burning. It's already 3:30. And get done up here. Alright guys, Daniel, West Mountain Adventures signing off here. Safe travels out there. I'll try to get more videos as time and weather allows. Yeah, I've got a project actually going on inside. There's an old saying about a plan ever survives first contact. I'll leave that for another video. Talk to you guys later. Give us a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification.